In this video, I show you how to apply for cruise ship jobs on Viking Cruises. And these are jobs for those who are in Africa, in Asia, or technically around different parts of the world outside of Europe and outside of the US. So the first step, just come to Google and type Viking Cruises jobs, Viking Cruises jobs, and then you're going to see this first website, vikingcareers.com. Make sure it has this Vikings logo, the red ship, and the Viking name. So Viking Careers. So just click on that, vikingcareers.com. And you can see here, you'll get to this landing page, okay? So once you are on this landing page, you can see this the option to explore different departments. But before you do that, there's something I want to show you. So you can see here, we have 3 different types of jobs on Viking Cruises: ocean and expedition ships, we have river ships, we have Mississippi. Please only apply to ocean and expedition ships. Do not apply for river ships. These are strictly for those with American green cards, or they have like an EU passport or residence permit. And do not apply for Mississippi, which is strictly for American passport holders or people on American green card. So you want to focus your job search on ocean and expedition cruises. So you can see here what sets Viking apart from other ocean cruise lines. Just come and read that, but you're interested in the work and not on the job. So you can see here, we travel to over 400 ports across all 7 continents. That's a story for another day. But you can see here, discover open job positions to join our ocean crew. Remember, this is what you want, ocean jobs, okay? But before we go to that, let's take a look at some of the benefits you will get by working for Viking Cruises. So we have competitive fixed monthly salary. Of course, it is paid in US dollars, and it is tax-free. That's the best part. So if, let's say, you're living in Kenya, in Ghana, Nigeria, South Africa, it goes a long way when you convert it to your local currency. Or if you want to immigrate to another country, then you have the privilege of moving there with foreign currency, vis-a-vis a situation somebody who gets paid in local money and they have to convert to, let's say, US dollar, Canadian dollar, or even to the euro. And then you get a fixed term contract or 4 or 6 months. And remember, guys, you're going to be working Monday to Monday every single day for at least 10 hours a day for this period. And then you're going to have a vacation of around 2 months, okay? They have loyalty and seniority bonuses. And there's on board health and life insurance. You get a free joining ticket to and from the ship and paid for by Viking. And then you have free and first Wi-Fi, which is unlimited, and you can use it while on board. Access to fitness center and crew pool. You have crew welfare program. There's free uniform and equipment, and then there is internal transfer to other Viking cruises. Okay, now let's go to the reason why you clicked on this video: view ocean jobs. Okay, so you can see as at the shooting of this video, there are 90 jobs that are available, and as I said, strictly focus on ocean and expedition because they are global. They hire worldwide. So you can see here, retail manager, we have kitchen steward, we have hotel administrator, cruise consultant, inventory manager. Just keep clicking on next and see what works for you. If you have a job title in mind, you can do that as well, but I would encourage you to just go through the list, and if you're not sure about something, you can just open it. Like here we have crew mess attendant, where you're basically going to be working supporting the galley operations and all that, working with your fellow in the dining area of your fellow crew members. We have here broadcast manager, we have bar waiter, assistant chief housekeeper. So just keep going. We have waiter here, we have hotel. So remember, guys, it's ocean you are looking for, okay? General manager, we have washer specialist. I wonder what this person does. Let's take a look. If you're not sure, just open and look at the job description. You supervise the use of all washing machines, ensure that they are used and maintained according to company policy, and then always look at the requirements. You can see this one: 3 years plus experience as a washer specialist, within a laundry environment. So always take advantage and open the job to see. Don't just go with the title. You can see here storekeeper, sous chef pastry, sound technician, senior laundryman, hotel storekeeper, guest lecturer in science and technology. Guys, if you have that experience, so there are teaching jobs on the cruise ship. We have your resident historian, we have workshop host for writing. So if you have experience, is a bridge instructor. I wonder what that person does. Workshop host writing reports to the cruise director. Chef de partie, we have your assistant waiter. Guys, if you're looking for entry-level jobs, please apply for that. We have assistant system manager, assistant stateroom steward. We have guest lecturer on cultural insights, chef de partie, guest lecturer natural science. So guys, you can see that a ship is basically a moving city. So any kind of job you expect on land, you will definitely have it on the cruise and more. You can see workshop host photography, hotel purser. You're basically supporting the financial officer to efficiently manage revenue and costs and guest and crew administration. So this is for accountants. Apply for the purser job. You have executive chef, one of the highest paid people on the ship, stateroom steward, state manager. We have executive chef, sous chef, video technician, public health officer. Yes, there are medical jobs on the cruise ship. Senior bartender. We have a provision master, resort deck attendant. I wonder what this person does. Let's see. Just click on it if you want to know. Oh, the resort deck attendant ensures that the pool area and the resort decks are clean and maintained at all times. Your duties may be extended to other areas as required. Guys, this is one of the easiest jobs you can do on the cruise ship. Let's look at the requirements. You just need 2 years plus experience as a resort deck attendant or similar position within a 5-star hospitality or bar environment. Oh my goodness. And you just need to be 21 years of age. Guys, anyone can apply for these jobs. And guys, if you need help with your CV, feel free to contact your girl right here, Imam Tali, cvservices@gmail.com. Moving on, we have the pastry cook position, laundryman. Guys, look at all these entry-level jobs, guys. There's so many. This one, it shows the day-to-day sorting of linen. Imagine, you're just sorting linen. Oh my goodness, guys. And you just need 1 year plus experience, guys. This one is one of the easiest jobs you can do on a cruise ship. Laundry staff. Okay. And then we have housekeeping supervisor. Let's see what else we have. Laundry master, head cleaner, hotel utility custodial. I think this is a cleaning job. Let me see. 1 year experience as imagine just custodial. So here basically you're responsible for cleaning and maintaining all guest and crew public areas. Guys, these are entry-level jobs. Please apply for them. Dry cleaning specialist, head baker. We have explorers concierge. We have a cook. Guys, I told you everything you can find. If you're looking for cruise ship hospitality jobs, you'll find them here. We prepare delicious meals for the guests and crew. Let's see what the requirements are. 4 years plus experience as a cook. Okay, I don't know what the difference is, a cook and a chef. Let me know in the comment section below. Or retail staff. This is one of the best jobs on a cruise ship. Guys, you only work on the days when the ship is on the water. When the ship docks, you also go and explore like other people. It's one of the easiest jobs on a cruise ship, and the requirements is just 1 year on a luxury hotel operation in a supervisor management role. Guys, this is one of the easiest jobs you can take on a cruise ship. There's assistant cruise director, assistant cook, HR manager, one of the highest paid jobs, wine steward, bartender, guest lecturer in history, workshop host for art, executive pastry chef, financial officer, guys. Oh, yeah. You can see the requirement, I think, is 1 year or just 2 years. There's usually very little requirements. Let's see what the requirement is. Oh, they didn't see. But apply for that job, guys. have oh, what happened? I overclicked. No. Okay, lighting technician, sommelier, senior receptionist, general technician, second person, admin. Guys, there's also a tailor job somewhere there. I don't know how I skipped it. Restaurant supervisor, resident photographer, head waiter, crew purser, galley utility cleaner. Guys, this is one of the easiest jobs. Don't you need any experience? You're basically cleaning the kitchen. We have spa manager, assistant laundry master, bottle keeper, chef de partie, butcher, assistant cook, butcher, bar utility, baker, guest lecturer on the arts, extraordinary lives. So guys, that's basically what you do. World affairs, special interests. You can see here, resident astronomer, workshop host, craft, assistant show excursions manager. So let me just pick one of the jobs and show you exactly how to apply. Let's say which one, like this galley utility cleaner, for example. So just click on the job, and then when you scroll down to the bottom, there's this button, the red button, apply now. Click on it, and then all you have to do is upload your resume. Again, I'm happy to help you with that at a very small fee. Ivamtali, cvservices@gmail.com. Ivamtali, cvservices@gmail.com. Enter your details here. Very, very, very simple. You can even see the ask for nationality, country of residence. Click on this, and then you click on next. And then just follow the instructions and click next, guys. It's a very, very, very easy process. I wish you all the best in your job search, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.